Is a French door refrigerator better for organizing food? Have you ever wondered if a French door refrigerator could make your kitchen organization easier? Let's take a closer look at how this popular style of refrigerator can help you keep your food neatly arranged. A French door refrigerator features two doors on the top and a freezer drawer at the bottom. This design creates a wide, open interior space that allows you to organize your food into distinct zones. One of the standout features is the wide shelves. When you open both doors, you have unobstructed access to all the shelves. This makes it easy to see everything inside, reducing the chances of food getting lost in the back. Another great aspect is the specialized storage compartments. Many models come with multiple drawers and bins, which let you create specific areas for fruits, vegetables, dairy, meats, and beverages. This compartmentalization helps keep everything organized and prevents cross-contamination between different food types. Adjustable shelves are also a big plus. You can often reposition the shelves to fit larger or oddly shaped items. This flexibility helps you maximize the space and keep your refrigerator looking tidy. The door storage zones are designed with varying depths and heights, making them perfect for grouping condiments, drinks, and smaller items like butter or jams. This way, you can easily access what you need without rummaging through everything. Temperature zoning is another benefit of a French door refrigerator. You can store more perishable items like raw meat and dairy on the lower, cooler shelves. Less sensitive items, such as leftovers and beverages, can go on the warmer upper shelves. This setup supports food safety and helps keep your food fresh. Using clear bins and labels can also improve organization. Clear storage bins allow you to quickly identify items without digging around. Creating an Eat First bin can help you track expiration dates and reduce food waste. Let's not forget about the freezer organization. The bottom freezer drawer often includes bins and dividers to separate frozen produce, meats, and prepared meals. This makes it easier to find and access frozen foods when you need them. While French door refrigerators may have narrower shelves compared to side-by-side models, their vertical and horizontal layout, along with specialized compartments, generally offers better organization potential. However, to get the most out of your French door refrigerator, some planning is necessary to maximize space and accommodate its unique design. In the realm of home appliances, French door refrigerators provide versatile and user-friendly organization options. They can streamline your kitchen workflow and improve food storage efficiency, making them a popular choice for anyone looking to keep their food organized.